Aisha.
My name's Anisha.
Today we'll be making our own DIY puppets.
We got these puppets from the shops.
We absolutely love puppets.
But we're going to be making our own DIY puppets. If you want to make your own DIY puppets, keep watching. Step 1. Get a tray like this. We got a vitamin tray.
And when you have your tray, you have to peel off the foil inside.
Like this.
Then you have to trace your design on your card. What do you think so good?
I think it's on the floor.
I'm going to make my design.
Okay, now.
I'm going to go for a pineapple shape.
I'm going to go for a koala shape because it's my favourite animal.
Making a bear.
A bear?
Ooh, cool.
It's kind of like a koala because a koala bear and a bear.
Now we're going to cut out the middle bit.
I'm going to wait for it to finish.
These hurt.
There's another one.
The next step is that we have to cut out our shape.
Now we're going to use the Sharpies to fill in,
To colour in our puppet.
Yes.
I'm going to use the yellow because it's going to be a carry.
I'm going to use blue.
I'm going to use green.
I have to shake it really well. Okay.
Let's try now.
What?
Oh,
What?
I'll shake it for you.
Why is this?
You don't have the strength.
Interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
We have just discovered that some of our viewers have not subscribed yet.
This is devastating.
To save our world from being destroyed by boredom, you must click the subscribe button now.
Thank you for your support. ink. The speck of ink. Let me try shaking it for more ink. It's like, ow. Well, I think it will work.
Guys, this is my pineapple so far.
Yeah, and this is my koala so far.
My bear so far.
It will look good with the filming tray once it's all finished and glued. So, it may not look cute now, but I mean it looks cute, but you may think it's not.
Once you're finished, you have to hot glue the vitamin tray onto the pineapple or your own puppet that you're making. So I'm gonna do it on the edges. And hot glue gun is not heated up yet. So now we just have to wait until it's heated up. So now you have to add hot glue onto your vitamin tray and attach it to your puppet stencil thing. So you just want to put it all around the edges. Make sure to get adult's help, just in case. Okay, time to stick on.
Do you have pineapple? Is it hot?
No. Oh, out. That's hot out.
Ow! Looks so cool.
We have to wait for it to dry.
Guys, this is our finished product.
Now let's try it out. Well, so cool. I rate this DIY puppet a 10 out of 10. See, you should really try it.
Me too. I rate 10 out of 10.
And guys, what do you think was the best? The Haribo bear,
The koala.
the pineapple.
Oh, you should have said and.
Look, yeah. Look at the pineapple. Well, let me see it.
It's like this.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!